So right now we are ready to install the SSL certificate. For us to be able to install this, we have to log in to our cPanel. As you can remember, we received these credentials before we were able to start editing the website. So I had auto saved my cPanel credentials. So I'll simply enter them and log in. Now once you log in, the first step is to go under Files. There's File Manager. Click there. Then after it loads, click Public HTML. And then on the top right-hand side under Settings, we need to enable it to show hidden .files. Now you realize now you can see a new file there called htaccess. Simply click Edit. And here we'll paste a code. So I've already prepared this and it's in the documents which you can easily download from this website. Simply copy and paste. Make sure you don't change any other thing in this section because this might tamper with the website. So once we copy it, we simply go back and paste. After you paste, you can delete that line which comes below. Then make sure you've saved. So save changes. Then after it saves, we have to go back to the cPanel under the security section. So in the security section, we look for LetsEncrypt SSL. So we'll simply click on that. Then we'll click on the issue link. Then click issue again and give it some time to load. Now once it's ready, you realize that now our site will be secured and we'll stop getting the notifications related to security. So once it's installed, we can simply check it by opening the website in a different tab. And now we should be able to see the lock showing that the SSL certificate has been installed to our website. You can realize the search bar, now the lock is there. So now our website is good to go.